Okay, guys and gals, we're taking a look at problem set for lesson 28 on page 315. I'm going to enlarge this just a little bit. And this first problem says the Sparkling House Cleaning Company has cleaned 28 houses this week. If this number represents 40% of the total number of houses the company is contracted to clean, how many, here's our question, how many total houses will the company clean by the end of the week? And this, we've got the answer in the slide, but again, I always like to figure it out. So I know that they told me there were 28 houses, but we don't know what the total is. So that's what I'm trying to find out. But they did tell me this was 40%. So I know 40%, I'm going to write that as 40 over 100. And then the other thing I do is I divide top and bottom by 10. I get 4/10. But I also know with 4/10, I can reduce that. Divide top and bottom by 2, and I get 2/5. So now I'm ready to look at 2/5 is equal to 28, and then this unknown. 2 times 14 is going to give me 28, so I'm going to multiply 5 times 14 to get my final answer. So 14 times 5 is 0, 2, so we get 70, and that's the answer here. So 70 houses is our final answer. Got it. Okay, then we're going to go to the next problem. Joshua delivered 30 hives to the local fruit farm. If the farm has paid to use 5%, so 5% is 5 out of 100 of the total number of Joshua's hives. How many hives does Joshua have in all? Well, so 30, but that's not his total number. So again, we know that it's 30 out of an unknown. There's a bigger number here. Okay, so 5 and 100, I can divide top and bottom by 5 just to reduce this, and I get 1 over 20. So now I'm going to set that next to the 30 over we don't know. And so this is multiplied by 30, this is multiplied by 30, and I get 6. 3 times 2 is 6, and then 2 zeros added, and that's what the answer over here says. So final answer is 600 hives, but I like to see the math work to show why that's true. Okay, good job, you guys.